Hi everyone, I'm Meenakshi and welcome back to my channel. Dahi vada has always been my favorite, so I'll be sharing very tasty quick dahi vada recipe that you can just make in 5 minutes. This recipe do not require any soaking of lentils, grinding or frying. So let's start. For 2 servings the ingredients are 1 bowl of refrigerated chilled curd, 3 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, homemade khatti meethi chutney recipe I'll share at the end, 6 slices of white bread, you can even take brown bread. For garnishing, 1 chilli very thinly sliced and half tomato very thinly sliced. Now take a bowl of curd and with the help of a whisker, whisk the curd gently. You need to do this till it becomes very smooth and fine. As you can see, it has become very smooth and creamy, so I'll be just transferring the sugar. You can even add here powdered sugar. As I have added sugar crystals, I'll keep it for some time so that it dissolves. Now take a bowl of water at room temperature. Add half teaspoon salt to it and mix it well with the help of a spoon. This salt water you will be needing for soaking your bread to make vada. Now this is the lid of my storage container. You can take any lid of any size you want, or you can even take cookie cutter. I'll be now making round shaped breads with the help of this lid. So I'll be making total 6 slices of bread with the help of this lid. You can use these brown sides to make bread crumbs and store it. So as you can see, I have made 6 round slices of bread. Now soak it in salt water. Press the excess water very gently and keep it on the tray or a bowl in which you want to serve your dahi vada directly. So like I am doing in the video, soak it in the water, press very gently and remove the excess water and keep total 3 on each other to make one vada, and the other 3 I'll keep one above the other to make the second vada. So you need to do this very carefully so that the bread doesn't break. So now I'll be adding my sweetened curd over my bread vada. Pour the curd over the bread vada and cover all the sides of the vada and even the empty spaces that you see. Please note that the curd should be chilled as it may spoil the taste otherwise. Now I'll be decorating it with the khatti meethi chutney that I have made at home. So the recipe I'll give at the end of the video. So you can make vertical lines on it, otherwise you can even make round circles on the top. Now garnish with the green chilies and the sliced tomatoes on the top. I've also topped up with the bundi to add extra flavor to my dahi vada. So your instant bread dahi vada is ready. To make khatti meethi chutney you need 1 tablespoon amchur, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder and 1 teaspoon bhuna jeera and 1/4 cup water. Now take a mixer grinder, combine all the ingredients in a mixer grinder along with the water. This is really very tasty chutney, I must say. You can store this homemade chutney for months. So after I've grinded, my khatti meethi chutney is ready. As you can see the consistency, it's perfect. You can transfer in an airtight container or in a bowl when you want to serve. And you can store for 3 to 4 months. So I hope you guys like my video. Please hit the like button guys if you really like it. And click on subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And hit the bell icon for regular notifications. Do share my video and let me know in the comment section if you want any specific recipe. And a big shout out to Ishmeet, Puneet, Reshu, Komal, Isha Marwaha,